Good morning. Today we will solve surds and indices problem. In the previous class we have seen what is surds, what is indices and its types, and we have written the formula for that, and we have solved few problems. And today we will continue that. First question is find the largest among 4 root of 6, root 2 and 3 root 4. So now what we have to do is we have to find the order of this surds. What is the order of surds? In the previous class I said, so here the order is 4 and here the order is 2 and here the order is 3, because we know that 4 root of 6. So this can be written as 6 power 1 by 4. So in the same way it is 2 power 1 by 2 and here it is 4 power 1 by 3. And this 4, 2, 3 are said to be orders. But these are not equal. So what we have to do is we have to take the LCM for this orders. Now take LCM for this 2, 4, 3 so that we will get 1, 2, 3. Now LCM of this orders are is equal to 12. 2 into 3 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12. So this is the LCM of surd. Now what we have to do is change each surd of for order. Each surd of order 12. Now what we have to do is change this every surd's order to 12. So what we can do is 4 power 6. This is 4 root 6, which is equal to, we can write this as 6 power 1 by 4, because if we write 4 here, that will become the coefficient. So we have to write in the square root. So this will become 4, that is 6 power 1 by 4, the whole power 1 by 4. So which is equal to, now we have to change this to the order 12. So 6 power 1 by 4 into 3 by 3. So which is equal to 6 power 3 by 12, or we can write this as which is equal to 6 power 3 the whole power 1 by 12. What is the 6 power 3? 6 into 6, 36. 36 into 6, that will be 36 into 6 will be, which is equal to 6, 21. So which is equal to 216 the whole power 1 by 12. Similarly, what we have to do is find the answer for square root of 2, which is equal to 2 power 1 by 2. Now make this common, 2 into 6 by 6, so that we will get 2 power 6 by 12, or we can write this as 2 power 6 the whole power 1 by 12. Now what is 2 power 6? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 to the 16, 32, 64. So here we will get 64 the whole power 1 by 12. And similarly cube root of 4, so which is equal to 4 power 1 by 3, so which is equal to 4 power 1 by 3 into, so 3 fourths are 12. So make this numerator and denominator 4 into 4. So which is equal to 4 power. So here we'll have 4 by 12, or we can write this as 4 power 4 the whole power 1 by 12. So which will be equal to 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are. Now multiply this 16 into 4. So that we'll get 6 to 56 the whole power 1 by 12. Now check here which is the largest number. 256 the whole power 1 by 12 is greater than this 216 the whole power 1 by 12. So it is greater than this 64 the whole power 1 by 12. Therefore the largest number which is equal to, that is 256 the whole power 1 by 12. So which is equal to cube root of 4. This is the answer for this problem. Now let us move on to the next problem. If 2 power a minus 1 plus 2 power a plus 1 is equal to 1280, then find the value of a. Now they have given 2 power a minus 1 plus 2 power a plus 1, which is equal to 1280. Now what we have to do is just take this 2 power a minus 1 as common, so that we can write 1 plus 2 power 2, which is equal to 1280, because if you multiply this, this will be 2 power a minus 1, and here we have 2 power a minus 1 into 2 power 2. Since these are common, base is common, so we can add 2 power, that is a minus 1 plus 2, so which will be equal to a power plus 1, is equal to 2 power a plus 1. So that here we will get 2 power a plus 1. Now we can write 2 power a minus 1 into 5. 2 square, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, which is equal to 1280. Now 2 power a minus 1, which will be equal to 1280 divided by 5. Therefore 2 power a minus 1, which is equal to, now cancel this, we will get 256. Therefore 256. We can write this 256 as 2 power a minus 1. So bring this to common base so that you will get 2 power 8. Therefore, since base are common, we can write a minus 1, which is equal to 8. Therefore, a will be equal to 9. This is the answer for this problem. Now, let us move on to the next problem. Simplify. By seeing this, we will find that it is very difficult, but this is very easy. Simplify. 5 root of x power minus 3 by 5, the whole power minus 5 by 3, and the whole root 5. Now write this, that is 5 root x power minus 3 by 5 power minus 5 by 3, the whole power 5. So this is the question. Now what we have to do is, which is equal to x power minus 3 by 5, the whole power. Now take this 1 by 5 into, we have this minus 5 by 3, the whole power, which is equal to 5 here. So what we did is, take this 5 first inside. Now which is equal to x power minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 5 power minus 5 by 3, the whole power 5. So which is equal to, now we can write this as x power minus 3 by 25 into, now bring this inside, which is equal to minus 5 by 3, the whole power 5. Therefore, which is equal to 3 cancels and 5. Therefore, which is equal to x power 1 by 5, the whole power 5. This 5 cancels. Therefore, the answer is x. This is the answer for this problem. So, by seeing this problem, you should not get confused. Actually, this is very easy. Then the next problem. Let us move on to the next problem. So, if root 3 the whole power 5 into 9 square, which is equal to 3 power n into 3 root 3. Find the value of n. So what we have to do is, we have to find this value of n. Now the question is square root of 3 given into 9 square, which is equal to 3 power n into 3 root 3. Therefore we can write this as 3 power 1 by 2, the whole power 5 into, make this common base so that we can solve easily. 3 power n into 3 into 3 power 1 by 2, because this is coefficient. So 3 into 3 power 1 by 2. So which is equal to 3 power 1 by 2 into 5 into 3 power 2 into 2, which is equal to 3 power n into 3 power 1 by 2. Now which is equal to 3 power 5 by 2 into 3 power 4, which is equal to 3. Here every power or base are common. So we can take this as n plus, it is 3 power 1 plus 1 by 2. Therefore, which is equal to, we can write this as 3 power 5 by 2 plus 4, since here also base is common. So it is equal to 3 power n plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 power, now multiply this 5 plus 8 by 2, which is equal to 3 power n plus 2 plus 1 by 2. Therefore, which is equal to, since here base are common, we can take this as 13 by 2, which is equal to n plus 3 by 2. Now we can solve for this n. What we have to do is cancel this 2. So n is equal to, now take this 13, or else we can write this as 13 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So which will be equal to 10 by 2. Therefore n is equal to 5. Either we can do like this, or else you just cross multiply this 2n plus 3 by 2, and we can take this left hand side, so that we will have 2n will be equal to So here we will have 2n plus 3 is equal to 13. So we can write 10 is equal to 2n. And finally we'll get n is equal to 5. So that is our wish. Either we can solve like this or else we can solve in the two or three steps also. Just to show this, I am taking this much step, or else we can complete here also. 3 power 5 by 2 into 3 power 4 is equal to. Now bases are common. So here itself we can write 5 by 2 plus 4 is equal to n plus 3 by 2. So here itself we can complete the answer. Next, let us move on to the fifth problem. If 5 root 5 into 5 power 3 divided by 5 power minus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 power a plus 2. Find the value of a. Now what we have to do is we have to find the value of a. So 5 root 5, this is a question. 5 cube divided by 5 power minus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 power a plus 2. Now as it is, what we have to do is 5 into 5 power 1 by 2 into 5 power 3 divided by 5 power, this is minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 5 power a plus 2. And we know that a power m by a power n is equal to, remember that equation. So we can write that as a power m plus n, because base are common. So we can take this in the numerator. So 5 into 5 power 1 by 2 into 5 power 3, since it is minus, so this will become plus here, into 5 power 3 by 2, which is equal to 5 power a plus 2. That's it. So now it is very easy. 5 power, now here we have power as 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 5 power a plus 2. Now 5 power, notice this, take LCM, 2 plus 1 plus 3 to the 6 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 5 power a plus 2. Now 6, 10, 12. 12 by 2, which is equal to a plus 2, because here base are common. So 6 is equal to a plus 2. Or we can write a is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. This is the answer for this problem. Now let us move on to the next problem. Here the value of cube root of 2 power 4, root 2 power minus 5, root 2 power 6 is. Now we have to find the value for this. Now listen, this is the question. Cube root of 2 power 4, root 2 power minus 5, root 2 power 6. Now what we can do is, which is equal to cube root of 2 power 4, root 2 power minus 5 into 2 power 6 into 1 by 2, because here we have root, so instead of root we can do 1 by 2. Now cancel this, so that we will get 3 here. So which is equal to cube root of 2 power 4, root of 2 power minus 5 into, here we have 2 power 3, because this we have cancelled the 6 by 2, so that here we have 3. So which is equal to 3 cube root of 2 power 4, root of 2 power minus 5 plus 3. Here we have minus 5 and here it is plus 3. So it is equal to 3 root of 2 power 4 square root of 2 power, here it is minus 2. So it is equal to cube root of 2 power 4, and we can write this as 2 power minus 2 into 1 by 2. So which is equal to cube root of 2 power 4, and this cancel, so that here we have 2 power minus 1. So which is equal to cube root of 2 power 4 minus 1. So which is equal to cube root of 2 power 3. Now we can write this as, which is equal to 2 power 3 the whole power 1 by 3. Therefore which is equal to 2. So this is the answer for this problem. Hope you understand this. If you like this, subscribe, share and support, and we'll meet soon in the next video.